Hi my friends, Sam Villa here, Redken's Global Artistic Ambassador. Today I want to share with you a really cool technique to go in and create a crinkled or waved effect to enhance an organic texture, which we will be seeing. So let's get started. I'm going to work with our Artist Series blow dryer and with the diffuser that comes with the blow dryer. The product of choice, not an option, a necessity, is going to be Redken Stay High 18. I love this because it gives me the result of a gel and a mousse combined together in one container. Now we're going to go through, I've applied my product, so now we're going to come through, we're going to work with our hands. Now, just a real simple technique. So I want you to think of your hands as the tool to create the crinkle or the wave effect. So I'm going to go to a number 3. Look at the number 3. So I'm going to place 3 fingers in, and now I'm just going to push these. So I'm taking my index finger and my ring finger. I'm pushing it opposite where I'm pushing my ring finger, so I create more of a wave pattern. Now the last finger that comes on top is the pinky, and I push this way. So if you take a look at this, and you can start to see how I've got that shape working through. Look at the S pattern. Follow it from the top view and from the front view. You can just see how I crinkled the hair. So now just see that. Watch again. You start with 3 fingers. Okay? Now watch me just take this section, random section I pick, and push it the opposite way. Now my pinky comes on top, and I push it all the opposite way. So this middle finger is going this direction. This finger is pushing the opposite direction. This middle finger is pushing the hair that direction. So you can see how I'm just weaving it. So I get an S pattern. Now I'm going to take a diffuser in the blow dryer. And now I spread my fingers and I place it on low heat, low speed. And you just simply come in and diffuse. The airflow is allowed through by separating your fingers. The Stay High 18 is giving me the control that I want. So watch how when I release, you'll see the undulation and the wave pattern from it. So I want you to imagine a client that has a small amount of texture, a small amount of movement in their hair. So then when you want to enhance it, go in with this technique and watch that wave pattern. So you can just start to see the wave pattern that I'm getting out of that. And now I'm just simply going through and I'm just simply working random sections. Watch how that number 3 pushes it. Look, I push the hair, then my pinky comes on top and goes the opposite way. Now spread it and you can just start to see the S pattern that you're creating and the diffuser comes in through. So just a real simple way to create more of a crinkled effect, a soft waved effect by working with a diffuser, keeping your blow dryer on low speed and high heat. At Sam Villa, we're all about making hairdressers better hairdressers, and we believe that happens through the process of education. Thanks for watching.